In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Looker Studio report. So, you've spent a considerable amount of time crunching data and creating a visually compelling report in Looker Studio. Now it's time to share your insights with the world, or maybe just with your team. But how exactly do you go about publishing your Looker Studio report? Don't worry, it's easier than you might think, and I'm here to guide you through every step of the process. First things first, head over to Looker Studio's website by typing https://lookerstudio.google.com/ into your browser's address bar. You'll be greeted by the homepage of Looker Studio, Google's innovative platform for transforming your data into informative, easy-to-understand reports. If it's your first time here, you'll see an option that says Use it for free. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to sign in with your Google account. So, enter your email address in the space provided. After you've filled in your email, the next step is to enter your password. Once that's in, click on Login to access Looker Studio's plethora of features. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the Looker Studio home. This is where all your reporting action begins. You can find existing reports you've worked on, start new projects, and even explore templates. But for now, our focus is on getting your report out there. Find the report you wish to publish, and you'll notice a share option, typically represented by an arrow underscore, drop underscore down icon. Click on that to unveil the various sharing options Looker Studio offers. From the drop down menu, select Get Report Link. This generates a shareable link to your report, but before you rush to email that link to everyone, let's adjust the viewing permissions to ensure that your intended audience can actually access it. Click on View Sharing Settings to proceed. By default, Looker Studio sets your report to restricted mode. This means only people you've explicitly granted access can view your report. For broader accessibility, click on Restricted to change it. You'll want to select Public if you wish to make your report available to anyone with the link. This is especially useful for sharing your findings on social media, embedding them on websites, or simply ensuring ease of access for a wider audience. After selecting Public, the final step is to copy the generated link. There's a copy link option for this. Click on it and voila! You've successfully prepared your Looker Studio report for publication. But before you go on sharing this link with others, let's talk about a few tips to make the most out of your published report. First, always ensure your report is in its final form before making it public. While Looker Studio allows for real-time updates, you wouldn't want premature or incomplete data to be viewed by your audience. Second, consider the accessibility of your report. While making your report public enhances accessibility, it also means anyone with the link can view it. Therefore, think carefully about the data you're sharing and ensure it's appropriate for general access. Lastly, encourage feedback. Sharing your insights isn't just about broadcasting information, but also about inviting dialogue. Include a way for viewers to contact you or leave comments. This could lead to valuable discussions and even ideas for improving your report. And there you have it. Publishing a Looker Studio report is as simple as that. With the report now accessible, you're ready to share your data-driven insights with the world, contributing to informed decision-making, and perhaps even inspiring others to explore their data more deeply. I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, the key to a successful report is not just in the data it presents, but also in the ease with which it can be accessed and understood by your intended audience. Happy reporting!